Hello everyone, this is ACIs and today we are going to do the March 2025 Paper 1 Variant 2 question 1. This question is from the Quadratics and we are going to solve it in terms of k, right? In order to find the set of the values of k in which the curve and the line do not intersect. First, we're going to take y as a subject in the equation of the line, and then we're going to put both the equations equal to each other, and then we're going to get a quadratic equation. We're going to put this quadratic equation in b square minus 4ac formula and then solve it, and we're going to get the quadratic equation in terms of k. We're going to evaluate it into the quadratic formula and get the two possible values of k, that is 11 and minus 5. Now we know that the set of the value ranges between minus 5 to 11, and we're going to write it exactly that. Now we are going to do a very easy question in my opinion. This is from the October-November 2024 paper 1 variant 2 question number 7. This is in a way that they've given us a quadratic equation and we have to evaluate in the form of minus a bracket x minus b square plus c, where a, b, c are positive integers, and we have to find the coordinates of the vertex, basically that is the x and y value, right? First we're gonna just take the common of minus 2, and then we're gonna have a bracket. In the bracket we're gonna apply the completing square method, and this way we're gonna get x minus 2 square, and then we have to take the square of the value of minus 2, which is minus 4, and then we have minus 11 by 2, right? Then we have this same value and then we have to multiply it with minus 2. Now remember, in the bracket values doesn't change because it has a square on it, so it just goes with minus 2, while the value of minus 19 by 2 does changes and it becomes plus 19. Now in order to find the coordinates, just remember that the value in the bracket with x is the value of x, but we change that sign. So we take the opposite sign of what is written in our equation. This way we're going to get positive 2, and the y value would be anything that is outside the bracket. In this scenario it's 19, so the our coordinates would be 2 comma 19.